All right, so I've staged some tools. Gonna start with pulling the harmonic balancer, move the valve covers, cylinder heads, and then I'll actually pick this up off of this dolly I've got here and stand it up so we can pull the oil pan and have a look at everything going on in there. I'm sure it's going to be quite messy, but without further ado, let me get to it. My favorite impact, and if you didn't already know, 24 millimeter is the size for this to remove it. Yeah, this one's gonna fight us a little. Okay. Wasn't anticipating this, so throw a little heat on it. This video may end up being a little long and long-winded here, but I just want to show all the steps, be transparent about what's going on with it, what happened, and show every little detail. I'm really surprised this was stuck like this. Brand new bolt, obviously, years ago when I put this together, 2016 I think, and it's not a northern vehicle. Even though we're in Florida, it's not near a lot of salt air, so I guess it just is really attached. Of course, thinking now, could contribute some of it to the heat that, you know, got to it when it was spinning the bearing and chewing everything up. So, we're just kind of spitballing here and speculating. Could be none of those. But, like I said, I'll throw a little heat on it for a while here, and usually they come loose. Had a few that have been excessive. Most of them not too bad. All right, we're going to try that. Wow. There we go. I could see it start to kind of, when I was hammering it, tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen. So now that's going to be stupid hot, and yeah, I have to find I'll grab a pair of pliers here real quick to grab it. It's not about trying to get 3rd-degree burns today. Yep. Still in pretty good shape. I know a lot of people that are like, dude, put some red Loctite on it and send it. That's one thing I really don't do. I'll always replace those as cheap as they are. So, but like I always say, do what works for you. Okay, loosen this ratchet strap and hopefully it doesn't come tumbling one way or the other. All right, good. Come on. All right, here we go. Get this chain off. Even as totally prepared as I tried to be, I still overlooked a socket or two that I could have used to take this chain off. So bear with me while I dig around in this box behind you here to, there we go, find the appropriate socket. I was going to continue pulling the balancer, but right now I'm thinking valve covers. I'm really, at that point, I'm curious. I want to see. So, tilt you guys up a little bit here and see more what's going on. And sure enough, all my sage wisdom and babbling, I forgot what I needed. And I even told myself earlier, 8mm. So I'm wondering which side it's going to be. I got something tells me it's that side of the engine, but I could be wrong. Well, looks nice and clean. Even the valve cover gasket looks great still, even being as old as it is. Yeah, it's none of these. I can tell you that for sure. All right, so my assumption was probably right. Again, nice and clean. I mean, this is the bummer of this. This is a literally like 95-ish thousand mile engine. It really really hurt my feelings. Aha, there we go. That's the one, folks. That is the number 6 cylinder, and it's the on the exhaust side. So, move you in here closer in a moment and see what's up. Alright, so I am back, obviously. Just made a quick short. It's uploading now on my phone, actually. So, for this. So you'll see that before this, obviously. But, yeah. I'm just gonna pop all these rockers loose. I'm almost wondering if I lost a lifter and not a rocker arm. I may have to eat my words and give Comp Cams an apology here if it turns out it's not the rockers trunnions like I thought it was initially when I saw those roller bearings. So bear with me, I'm cracking these loose by hand and then buzz them off with the good old trusty Milwaukee, and we'll dig a little deeper into this. Oh, come on. This is that one with the battery that does whatever it wants when it wants. Milwaukee, if you're watching, I know I bought the battery like 3.5 years ago, maybe longer, but I wouldn't be opposed to you guys sending me a battery. There we go, sending me a battery. It doesn't matter what tool it's on, it does that until I bang it around a little bit. Yeah, so far as I'm pulling these out, they don't, okay, I will say, a few of them feel looser when I wiggle it side to side than others. I don't know. It's going to be a bummer if it was a lifter, because that probably means it chewed up that cam lobe, and I really liked, oh yeah. It's got some major play in it. I really, back to the cam though, yeah, I really liked this camshaft, and even though I bought it brand new, second hand, it wasn't wasn't super cheap. Oh yeah, we're getting some metal shavings. Lovely. Yep. This is going to be a fine mess to clean. I'm going to do the same thing with all of these because, well, yeah, that one's got a little more slop than this one I pulled off. Alright, and here's the one that was flopping around. Yeah, you know what? I don't think it was a trunnion. I think I lost a lifter. I think we're going to find a chewed up camshaft. S-O-B. I was really looking forward to reusing that cam. Yeah, I think I had a lifter collapse on me. That push rod doesn't look bad on the end. That's the lifter side of it. But it was down a lot more in there. And you know, I've been saying forever, I want to do heads and cam on this short block and change the lifters, because they seemed noisier than normal to me the past, I don't know, several thousand miles maybe. So I should have listened to myself, right? Right. Gotta love it. Unfortunately, that's cars, trucks, you know, anything with wheels. Now, that lifter failure is kind of unusual, because I did not, I'm going to make a big mess trying to keep all this together. I did not change the lifters in this. This has got BTR dual springs, nothing crazy, you know, seat and open pressure and all that. So, I don't know. See, yeah, that valve spring looks like the rest of them, really. Locks, retainers, nothing looks out of place on that cylinder, number 6 exhaust. So I'm pretty convinced right now I'm going to find a collapsed lifter and all kinds of other crap, and a damaged camshaft, which in plain English is going to piss me off. So hopefully we didn't frag the block and destroy that lifter bore. That would be the real insult to injury at this point. So, knowing it was here, we're gonna obviously just come right to this cylinder head. Boy, those weren't really that tight. And here we go again. Yeah, you can still see the ARP lube I put on these to get accurate torque and all. So, oh well. I'll just assume that my calibrated wrist and elbow here is just seeing something that's not there, as far as them being loose or not having enough torque spec. Yes, I am going to use the impact, but I just want to crack all these loose first by hand. Sometimes that impact, it's not the baddest one they make. Sometimes it just doesn't have enough nuts behind it to crack these loose. So I already did this one. Nope. All right. keep marching forward, right? Right. Make sure the camera's still on and I'm not talking to myself like the other night. Alright, we're good. I am probably gonna have to stop in a bit. Get another battery. This one wasn't full and it's already around below 50%. Ooh. Alright, we'll just save ourselves some grief here of crap flying everywhere. It's too fat. Let me grab a persuader. Not trying to fight with this thing. Ah, stupid. That would make a difference, wouldn't it? I don't edit moments like that out because I like to show that I'm human and I forget things and I make little mistakes too from time to time. So, yep, number 6, that valve is kind of eh. The others are burning nice and clean, so that kind of coincides with what I saw. So this is the offending cylinder here. Some carbon. Otherwise looks nice and clean. Oh, I hate it when I'm literally, there we go. There's my impact. Where's my 8mm though? Right there. Nope, these are a 10. I always forget that. Okay, ladies and gents, moment of truth. Yeah. Only one lifter. Ew. So the one that came, I've got marks on the lobe of this cam. I'm pretty sure, unfortunately, that cam's junk already. Let me get a pair of needle nose that I neglected to grab earlier and see if we can get all these lifters out and look at some more cam lobes. Okay, that one came out. It's facing the way it should. A little bit of trash on it, but doesn't look as bad as the other one that come with the tray. Okay. All of them are rolling nice and free, and yeah, that lobe looks good. Okay. This one's gonna be the pain. It's flush. Yeah. Let me stop for a moment here and I'll bring you guys in closer to show you what I got going on. Okay, so bringing you a little closer. I don't know if you can see that. It's down in there. Like really. Let me grab my phone here and try and use the flashlight. Yeah, you can see how down in there. No, if the camera will pick that up. But that lobes looks like it's got a little mark on it, like it chewed up a little bit, maybe from some of the trash banging around in here. So battery's about to die. I'm going to go inside, grab a fresh one, and but in the meantime I'm going to fish this lifter out if I can. We'll go from there. Stay tuned.